Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to connect Steam Web API to Discord webhooks. Okay, so just launch your Discord, then go to your Discord server settings. I'll go to my test server. There you go. Then you go here, then you go server settings, and then integrations, and then webhooks. Okay, and in here, you can just create a fresh webhook token. Create one. Okay, new webhook. And then go here and copy the webhook URL. And then ensure that you have your 32-character Steam Web API key ready to authenticate requests. So we will build a lightweight Python automation loop to query Steam's concurrent player metrics for any specific application ID and format the data payload. So you can just define a structured JSON payload mapping out titles, colors, and dynamic field values. You can use the native requests.post method to stream this data bundle straight across Discord's webhook gateway. Drop the script into a cron job or background task scheduler to trigger the monitoring sequence every hour without lifting a finger. So just use this command, this code, guys. As always, if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.